When the del operator acts on a vector function v bar via dot product, we get divergence of a vector function v bar. So if v bar is equal to vx x cap plus vy y cap plus vz z cap, so here vx, vy and vz, these are the components of v bar, and when del operator operates on this vector function via v bar via dot product, then we get divergence of v bar. So because it is a dot product, we can just write result of this as del vx by dx plus del vy by dy plus del vz by dz. So divergence of a vector function v bar is given by del vx by dx plus del vy by dy plus del vz by dz. Because it is a dot product, divergence will be a scalar. So because divergence of a vector function is a dot product, divergence of a vector function will be a scalar. We know dot product is a results in a scalar quantity. So divergence will always be a scalar. The divergence of scalar function cannot be written. So we cannot write the divergence of scalar function because vector cannot be multiplied with scalar function via dot product. So writing divergence of a scalar function is meaningless. We can only find out divergence of a vector function. This divergence of a vector function is nothing but a measure of how much the vector v bar spreads out or diverges from a given point. So let us try to understand the meaning of this statement with some examples. So to understand divergence, let us consider a water tank which has 3 compartments. This compartment has a tap attached to it through which the water can go out. This compartment has the input source of water, so water can be poured into this compartment, and this is one more compartment. So you can see when the tap is turned on, the water from this compartment will go out and therefore the water level will come down. And as we are pouring the water in this compartment, the water level in this compartment will keep on rising, and there will be no much effect on the water level in this particular compartment. So what we can see is, for this compartment the divergence is negative, for this compartment the divergence is positive, and for this compartment the divergence is 0. Constant water level means 0 divergence. Here water level is increasing, so divergence is positive, water level is decreasing, so divergence is negative, and here the water level is constant and therefore the divergence is 0. Some more examples. Let us consider a vector function x cap plus y cap plus z cap. If you find divergence of this vector function, it will be dot product of this del operator and the vector function. So it will result in del x by del x plus del y by del y plus del z by del z. So this will result in 1, this will result in 1, this will result in 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So this particular vector function has a large positive divergence. So spread out is more. If you consider this vector function minus x cap minus y cap minus z cap, here it will be minus 1 minus 1 minus 1, that is minus 3. So this vector function has got a large negative divergence. So this vector function is represented as v bar equal to kz cap. Only in one direction it points, and its length is also is same at every point. So k is constant. So if you find the divergence of this vector function, it will be x component is 0, so del 0 by del x, y component is also 0, so del 0 by del y, z component is k constant, so del k by del z will also be 0. So divergence of this vector function is 0. In this case all the vectors are pointing in the same direction, but their lengths are not same at all the points. So this function can be represented as v bar equal to y cap, and if you find the divergence for this, it will be x component is 0, y component is y, so del y by del y will be 1, x component is 0, so del 0 by del x will be 0, and z component is 0, so del 0 by del z will also be 0. So divergence of this vector function is 1. So it has got positive divergence, but the value is less. So you can see divergence is just a number, so it is a scalar. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel so that you will get timely intimation of new videos uploaded to the channel. Thank you very much.